Hi there, we're at the 2020 Home and Garden Show, and this is our newest product, Ocean Rich Fish Compost. This is our high quality fish compost that we source the ingredients from the coast of Oregon. It's from a sustainable fishery that doesn't use any chemicals in the process of separating the materials. The materials are a true fish byproduct, and the reason that we decided to use a fish byproduct was so that no other fish needed to be harvested in the place. It doesn't have any animal feed value. We age it for about 1.5 years so that the fish smell is completely gone and that it's completely cured and it's not going to burn or harm your plant roots. We also double screen the material so it's ultra fine. That allows for the material to percolate down into the root system a lot quicker, making the fertility available sooner. It's also an excellent amendment to any of your potting medias that you may want to reuse year after year. So as you can see here, the texture of the compost is very fine. You can see the darkness of the material. It's completely broken down. So in addition to all of the extra work that we put into our manufacturing processes and our sourcing, we also decided to put our fish compost into a 1.5 cubic foot bag, and we competitively priced it at an introductory price of $11.99.